Several hospitals across the South are running out of oxygen as COVID cases and hospitalizations soar. That shortage hasn't yet made its way to Alabama, but with more patients on ventilators and in the ICU, Alabama hospital system says the supply chain is being pushed to its limit. Alabama requested 200 more ventilators in order to stay ahead of the pandemic and avoid a shortage. A possible shortage of supplies isn't the only thing threatening Alabama's healthcare system tonight. WAAY 31's Alex Torres-Perez learned more about the efforts to get more healthcare workers to Alabama to deal with this surge of patients. Alex.
The Alabama Hospital Association deputy director says that the need for workers isn't going to be solved in the short term. Actually, hospitals across the state are having to do what they can to deal with the surge in COVID inpatients as their workers reach their limit.
It is dire and it is serious, and our healthcare workforce is exhausted both physically and mentally. It has been 18 months. It's not really let up. It got better for just a little bit, and then it got so much worse.
The Delta variant has hospitals across Alabama overrun with patients. Though it's not the highest number of COVID inpatients we've seen, more patients are in need of urgent and critical care. The Alabama Hospital Association says there are more people on ventilators and in the ICU than ever before in the pandemic, but there's not enough staff to take care of them.
It's not as easy as just having a ventilator. You have to have respiratory therapy. You have to have skilled staff for those patients. They're pushing through and they're doing what they can.
The state health department is working with the Alabama Hospital Association to find ways to bring in more healthcare workers. The deputy director says it could make a tremendous difference.
We could find a way to bring in additional staff outside of the state. That would be a game changer, to be able to add more capacity of skilled staff beds.
Health officials say that you can help ease the strain on hospitals. You can do that by wearing a mask, avoiding large crowds, and of course, getting your COVID shot. Reporting live in Huntsville, Alex Torres-Perez, WAAY 31 News.